I'm working on building the bed frame for the lower bed, the one below the pop-up one. For this frame, I want to go. Hey, Buzz, you want to be in the video too? I'm going with the aluminum tubing. This is also a 1-inch tubing. I want to go as light as possible because thanks, Buzz. So, is it a butt show or something? Okay, Buzz is not okay today. Anyways, yeah, I want to go light, so I'm using the tubing. The connection for that is for the aluminum tubing. It's something like this, but you want to get the just the L-shaped one. This is the one for a 3-way. It's not bad. So all you have to do is hammer it in, like so. This one is not all the way flushed in, so I wanna hammer it in a little bit more. Okay. Yeah, there. So you got the strong joint. Okay, and for the ankle. Now, on one side where I want it to be hinged together with the wall, so I can open up and down, I have to use the extrusion where I can put the hinge and have it open up and down. Easy. Now to join that with the extrusion is different. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the L-shaped bracket and screw to the tubing on one side and then the T-nut on one side of this. So we'll see how the finish looks like. Okay, that's what we do today. Right, Fushy? Right, Fush? You're gonna build, help me build a bed? Alright, you guys, trip to Home Depot. Santa texted me that I have a surprise curbside pickup at Home Depot. I don't know what it is yet, but I'm bringing a Tahoe. Hopefully, Santa said hopefully it fits in the Tahoe. So let's go. Alright, we're at the Home Depot parking lot. Never done curbside pickup before. Not sure how it works, but I've seen the curbside pickup area. I guess you go park over there and somebody will come to you. Let's find out. Okay. Let us know when you arrive. Select the link in your order. Okay. Okay, so what you do, you text to the link with your order, and then it'll ask you to fill out a couple infos there, and then on the bottom just click bring my order out. So we'll wait and see. Guess what, you guys? The tables are okay. Let's put it down. Have a good one, sir. Thank you. You too. You too. The tables are very cool. The tables are. All right, cover my mask. Thank you to my niece and her husband, Navi in Thai. for buying me this table saw. Can't wait to use it. Very cool. This is gonna come in very handy on the work. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, all right, relax. I still had one more thing that they bought me the other day at home. We're gonna go. I'm gonna show you right now. Let's go home. Look at this, my gift. Table saw and my new set of 20-volt drills. Check this out. I got one of these before, and I lost it actually. Now a brand new one with 2 batteries. Thanks again, you guys. Thank you. Great tool. Tight. Look at this, you guys. Ta-da! Okay. Perfect. Works. Look at my bed. It's like a bench. Okay, so with this down, it's a backrest. Now we got a lower bench right here. Just put the cushion. Hola. What did I just say? Hola. Look at this. Okay, so this is how I did. See, I put the T joint right here. Screw this side together with the aluminum tube, and the angle here also screw into the wood and the aluminum to keep make that tight. And then these the T-nut inside here with the bolt for the extrusion, and then this side is the screw in to the aluminum. Yep, works out nicely. One strong bed. Okay, so what I did, I built this frame on the inner diameter of this frame here, so that when I close this, okay, it goes right inside of here. Okay, this is only just to support the bed strength, and the whole wood sits on that main frame, and oh yeah, super sturdy. Perfect for a single. This is 75 inches tall in length. Wow. Today's lunch is simple. Beef meatball with napa, soup, and roasted rosemary. Oh, look at this. Simple, but this is good. Look at that. Wow, so good, dude. All right, works perfect. You know, one of the most difficult hardware are the hinges for the cabinet. You don't find it's hard to find the right one to fit work with these aluminum extrusions. I found this one works perfectly for these 10 series aluminum. Okay, these hinges. Okay, that's what I'm using right now. These are fully soft close hinges. Okay, and it's only about 3.5 inches in length, half inches deep, 1 3/8 hole here. Okay, and it is soft close, and check that out. Yeah, so it works perfect, because the other ones I had. Okay, so this is how I mount on the aluminum. Okay, let me put this down first. Okay, my hex screw there, and the T-nut. Okay, this is the one that not the one that slides through, it's the insert kind. The only thing is, these hinges come with these, whatever they call that, tip right here. It used to be straight like this. All I have to do is use long nose plier, straighten it out, because I think these are meant to be for like climbing to the wood, or it clamps to something. It makes it more stable, I guess. But with these screws and locked into these channels here, it's very strong. With that, it will not fit in here. It's misaligned a little bit from here. You will not able to insert the screws. So that's what I had to do. Okay, and this is how you mount it. Okay, so there, and then just down. Okay, like that, and it works nicely. Okay, it is very strong. It's not moving at all. It looks so clean. Okay, it is only, again, only 3.5 inch deep right here, and there's another kind that I'm using over there. It's longer, so these holes are way back here. I have to use the 90-degree angle brace to attach here to the back, which also it's not strong with the, if you don't have the strong angle. This one straight into this channel, super strong. So yeah, if you're using a 10 series like these aluminum, these work perfect. I'm gonna list the link of these here below, and in case you guys are using the same, this works great. It works great. That's what I'm gonna use throughout all these cabinets here. Hope that helpful. Also, to make the hole on the cabinet door for this hinge right here, it's best to have a crack jig like this. Okay, this is a perfect 1 by 3/8, and set it to 5mm. Okay, it works great. I'll show you right now how I do it. Alright, so first we put a stopper right here. Okay, so that this is your 1/2 inch deep right here. Stop, and then go ahead and put on the drill. Okay, on my cabinet, this is my my center mark right here where I want my hinge going to be. So on the jig here, this is the center right here, which is the 0, and I align that 0 with that line that I want it to be, and make sure it flashes this corner right here, flash. Okay, now I'm gonna use the clamp. Oops, hit the camera and clamp that down so it's not moving. Okay, now I drill. Till it gets to my stopper, and that should be good. Okay. Clean that up. There. Works so beautifully. It's perfect. There you go. Now all I have to do is pre-drill my screw holes. Make sure it's straight. There. Perfect. Check this out, you guys. These cabinets come out so beautiful. I love it. It's soft close. Look at that. These hinges is just perfect. Oh, yep. Now, I don't know if I want to put any what do you call it, lock or the knob to it's kind of nice plain like this, and with this aluminum showing, it's kind of style, you know, stylish style. It's kind of one of a kind. If I don't put the lock or the lock, it's still this is gonna be, you know, the lip of the cabinet. So you put things here, it will not roll off, and with the strut here, it's not gonna, you know, things not gonna fly out, and it's nice like this. So if I don't put the lock here, I can just leave it like this, so we can open it like this. I'm gonna leave it like that for a while. I like it like this. Plain, simple. Cool. Last one to go, and it's getting late. I am going to call it a day for today. We'll continue that tomorrow. But man, I love this.